What's going on, guys? We're working on this metal rack to hold these 4x4 sheets and some bigger sheets. Now that we got the base done, we're gonna be working on the uprights. I will be adding 4 uprights to it, spacing them a foot apart to add 3 sections. So this is what the uprights are gonna look like. They're gonna be 32 by 4 foot. We have the first upright laid out. Now we're gonna tack it up. Got 2 of the uprights tacked up, just sitting there and giving y'all a little visual. Got to get the 2 outside ones done. And go ahead and knock down all these welds on the corner so the outside ones sit flush. Let's get those last 2 uprights done and get them tacked onto the base. Got all the uprights thrown in there. Still got to weld them all out. I ain't gonna bore y'all with all that. I'll tell you what, I'm sure am pleased with the final product. I'll work on getting these welds knocked out tomorrow and get another video with some plates thrown on it. I got the welds knocked out and got the rack loaded down with some plates. Got a little over 500 pounds on this middle section here with the 1/4 inch. And she holding up real good. Got some 3/16 and 10 gauge. I'm probably gonna move this 10 gauge over here to this one and load up all my cutout sheets on this side. But overall, she came out real slick. It's gonna save a little bit of space in the shop. That's all I got for you guys today. Appreciate you guys watching. See y'all next time. Peace.